Hi guys, welcome to Wifi Smart English. Today discuss which about how to remember, how to write short sentences, short vocabulary, short habiting. Short means short is the impact that on your mind. That's why you can speak English fluent, but you can remember your short. And one point is come to the and how to learn how to remind short and small sentences. So sentences means you can speak English, but its problem is stuck then is small sentences, and sometimes feel I'm gonna outside, I'm gonna take, I caught you, I caught him. This sentence is I make me cry, I make me stuck. This is very of language of my language as well. So I want to improve my such as languages. So you can implement at all, but listen to me careful and don't skip this video till last. Let's start. Sentences are the careful and sentences are the basic block of you and literature. The every writers carefully of while writing and independence of line thoughts that you can independence of your hand and your lines, yet you are able to write down between and short down every like writers put for towards short time short, then short is make it long. This is a thing for you, you can use such as say this thing. You can follow a theme every writers first of all make it and the first line and with a small sentences, and then they learn they go ahead it because they kept the independence of small sentences lines. Then you can make it strong small sentences like this, you can remember easily. This is a impact or direct memory. You can learn, you can remember every time, remind me every time. Make the most of a makeover of your English at home. I suggest you I also use this. Short sentences provide a direct path on your mind and main point of this. Then you can write down every sentences with and line by line and sequence. Then you learn line by line small sentences. Then you might working that time is perfect this for me and for your memory catch fastly. Then you can able to this thing. Shortest sentences is the best for learning and writing and carefully reminding. Then you think that time your mind will think this is easily for me, and you can remind, you can remind as well your object, your subject, what is the problem in this, how can I solve. Then you can remind small shortest sentences, then you can think that time this is perfect for me and for my mind working is good. But don't forced to write down long sentences in initial. Initial starting, you forget long sentences, you will not, because you will not able to speak English fluent as well as with directly talking with anyone. Communicate is the best for you, and communicate with small sentences, small categories. Share with you small categories, small sentences with your new life of sentence, new convey of sentence. This thing short sentences is improve your readability, and you can write and novels and stories, or as well as you can make your accessible, you make your writing accessible with your short sentences, and you can proud of your head writing, and your short sentences make help you while speak English and fit to go ahead. And especially you want to be company with your friends, the conversation with your colleague, with your computer in the office. If you don't know long sentences but you can make a short sentence, then you can help, you can assist with your friends. This is a good for you and for me and for you, and communications improvement at all. This audience make such as your sentences audience can catch, understand, catch carefully, catch easily. You can take out, you can express yourself by short sentences, comprehensive and properly. Don't hate it there, don't hesitation there. This is the bad impact of your life. Piece of cheese, piece of cake, piece of your short sentences. Think this is this perfect for communication skills. Allocate. Allocate means strictly talking, strictly prohibited, stuck there, but you want to stuck because don't. You have learned short sentences as well as short sentences make help there. Don't fear of there is only you never stuck. You can entertain, you can independent your lines of your new word and new sentences with anyone. This academics of this works and this mobile help you with your make a short sentences every time. Write your short sentences in a at home. Listen, go to multiple places, then identify them place. Write down about them in short, about vocabulary short, about any ancient antiquities, about your friends, about your mobiles, about your cycle, and short sentences, notebooks. Improvement learn frequently will help you like this. Such as thing make the most of your communication skill. I am to use this such as thing. Take the risk, make a short sentences every time. Take the risk, write down every word, difficult word in short language. Short language make you help and speak easily. You can explain easily. Okay. Short sentences are more sticky. You don't have to write long sentences. Long sentences make a very bad impact on your language and to speak a short and write how many short at all. This is the correct and at all benefit of your language. Of your short sentences make you every time help. I'm, you, they, her, she, everyone follow only short sentences in initial. I've told you it's 5 sentences in this video, but you can learn by this video. I hope you will learn this video. I hope you will learn from this video new thing from there. On third days, go and enjoy with yourself and watch this video and follow this video with your friends. Share with your friends. I want to only share, but I want to see you want to only support me. I want to support you at all. So this is correct for you, and every time grasp your fingers, grasp your pen or finger and grasp your new word every time. Don't fear of, don't ignore to any one word, don't ignore to any thing word. It's my little bit, the little bit thing, always dangerous thing. No, a little bit thing, always danger. Because of you don't learn little bit, we should little long, little high, bad. Everything worst, but we should start only with it and your short means short will help go ahead. So finally I want to tell you go, and I will see you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. I hope you will get something from this video. Bye, see you tomorrow, and have a wonderful day with yourself learning from why. Good luck.